page 112. Lower extremities. The pelvis and hip joint described previously may be considered part of the lower extremities. Moving downward from the hip, the large thigh bone is the femur. The femur, the largest long bone in the body, has a slight bend at its proximal end, where it attaches to the pelvis. This bend is a frequent site of fractures and is commonly what breaks when a patient breaks a hip. Progressing down the leg, the patella, or kneecap, sits anterior to the knee joint. The knee connects with the femur superiorly and with the bone of the lower leg, the tibia and fibula, inferiorly. The tibia is the medial and larger bone of the lower leg, also referred to as the shin bone. The fibula is the lateral and smaller bone of the lower leg. The ankle connects the tibia and fibula with the foot. Two distinct landmarks are the malleolus at each side of the ankle. The lateral malleolus is at the lower end of the fibula, and the medial malleolus at the lower end of the tibia. These are the protrusions that you see on the lateral and medial aspects of your ankles. The ankle consists of bones called tarsals. The foot bones are called metatarsals. The heel bone is called the calcaneus, and the toe bones are called the phalanges. So femur, the large bone of the thigh. Patella is the kneecap. Tibia, the medial and larger bone of the lower leg. Fibula, the latter and smaller bone of the lower leg. Malleolus. Protrusion on the side of the ankle. The lateral malleolus at the lower end of the fibula is seen on the outer ankle. The medial malleolus at the lower end of the tibia is seen on the inner ankle. Tarsals are the ankle bones, metatarsals are the foot bones, and the calcaneus is the heel bone. Upper extremities. Each shoulder consists of several bones: the clavicle, the scapula, and the proximal humerus. The clavicle, or collarbone, is located anteriorly. The scapula, or shoulder blade, is located posteriorly. The acromion process of the scapula is the highest portion of the shoulder. It forms the acromioclavicular joint. Acromioclavicular joint. With the clavicle. So it